Have you been dreaming of owning a vacation home for yourself to enjoy? Have you also thought about the benefits of owning a vacation home? Hi, I'm Christine Lurie, broker with App Properties, and you can enjoy a vacation home while it helps pay for itself with rental income. Here are some tips and tricks when looking for an investment vacation home property. Tip number 1, location, location, location. So we hear it all the time, and it is the first rule in real estate for a very good reason, and even more so when talking about vacation homes. The two primary things you are considering: where do you want to live when you're using the property, and where do renters want to be when renting a vacation home? Tip number 2, rental restrictions. Pay attention to what the rules and regulations are when investing into a property. You can contact the HOA and research for best results. Tip 3, property management. For those of you who don't have the time and energy to devote to advertising a property, handling the lease, collecting the rent, paying the taxes, and dealing with maintenance issues, a property manager is a great asset. Tip 4, costs. As you can imagine, there are costs associated with owning a second home. There are condo, HOA fees, property taxes, insurance, property management fees, utilities, general property maintenance, and so on. These can add up, so embrace them, as well as the realistic rental potential on your new home. Tip number 5, know what your season is. When is the prime time people come to your location looking to take a vacation? Bonus tip, make sure working with a knowledgeable realtor who knows and loves the community you are looking in and has expertise in dealing with rental properties. If you would like guidance in search for a vacation home in paradise, contact with me and I will help you navigate the ins and outs of home buying. I'm Christine Lurie, real estate broker with App Properties, and home is key to a happy life, so love where you live and vacation. Have a good day.